Meaning of gourmand.
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 Gourmand. The word gourmand refers to a person who enjoys eating and is often perceived as having an excessive appetite for food. This is different from gourmet, which describes a person with refined taste and appreciation for high-quality cuisine. A gourmand is more interested in quantity than quality, and may indulge in food without regard for health or social norms. Despite its negative connotation, being a gourmand can also be seen as a form of hedonism, where pleasure and enjoyment of food take precedence over other concerns.